Hey, fellow YouTubers. So in Matthew 24:7, it says, in the end times there will be famines, pestilence, and earthquakes. And if you look at the amount of earthquakes ever since the 1970s on like a pie chart, or not a pie chart, but on a graph, it's just a steady incline the whole time. And lawlessness. And I just, I'm on the way back to Flagstaff. I was in Los Angeles for a couple days. And my goodness, I got on the freeway at like 6:30 this morning, and it's just total lawlessness. I mean, like, I was going like with the flow of traffic at maybe 70, and cars would just zip by, like crossing 3 lanes going like 90, 95. It was really scary. So I got behind a truck at like 65, and it felt a lot safer. I mean, I never thought I would be, I've always been very comfortable behind the wheel. I never thought I would, be afraid like that and literally slow down and get behind a truck just to feel a little bit safer. So I think it's kind of clear and evident, the longer you've been on this planet, the longer you can see how we've been just having a steady uptick in natural disasters, fires, earthquakes, and especially ever since COVID hit, lawlessness. I forget where else it says in the Bible, that basically he's going to remove the restrainer, and people are going to be that are kind of a little bit on the wicked side are going to kind of naturally become more wicked, become lovers of self, more arrogant, and lawless. And boy, ever since, at least in Los Angeles, on the roads, it's really evident. And I was there like at least a good 3 days. Only this morning did I see the first cop. There's just almost no cops in Los Angeles. It's so much nicer in Flagstaff. Also, something else I never thought I would say is how I feel a lot happier seeing more police officers. And they're literally doing their job. You see them pulling people over. That roommate I had, he called the cops over and over for just like BS issues, but they'd always come right on a dime. In Los Angeles, I had like 2 people try to literally drive me off the road twice within like a 6-week period. And both times when I called 911, I was on hold for like 9 minutes until I just hung up. So, LA is just falling apart. If I still cussed, I'd call it like an SHIT hole. Excuse my language. End times, buckle up, get prayered up, and buckle up. Adios, amigos. Love you guys. Have a good day.